Swing at Seattle, solo jazz, let's do the Charleston. This was our routine to Naomi and her Handsome Devil's outstanding tune, I'm Crazy About My Baby. Let's take a look at some of the basic steps we have. We took this as our basic in keeping the legs straight. Touch, step, touch, touch, step. We can also vary that with more of a round and twisting action. Touch, step, touch, touch, step. Our break for that, going straight, would go touch, step, and a run, run, run. Or with the twisting action, touch, step, and a run, run, run. We did this going with the travel front and back. If it was straight, it would be touch, walk, 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 touch, walk, walk. Or twisting, touch, walk, 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 da 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 da, dee, dee, dee. And then we have this much longer kind of shape here. So this one, kicking forward with the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Or if we let the legs sweep out, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. And then we had a big break at the end, squat. Now let's take a look at all the pieces together with the music.
Happy creature, tell me what can worry me. I'm crazy about my baby, yet my baby was crazy about me. Mr. Cupid was our teacher, that's the reason we agree. I'm crazy about my baby, yet my little baby was crazy about me. Pops and get your book out, hold it in your hand. Keep a steady lookout, you can understand. It's